In this module, we learned a lot about conditionally outputting content and outputting lists. And I just want to briefly summarize this before I send you off to the assignment and let you practice that, because it's so crucial to get it right and to understand it. We did learn two important things: that we should output content conditionally by using JavaScript, and the same for lists. Everything is JavaScript. Key takeaway. You can then either do it with ternary expressions, as you learned, but a better approach is to simply create variables, which you output in your JSX you return in the end, and which you adjust with if statements if you want to render something conditionally. And if you want to return or render a list, you use the map operator, a default JavaScript method you can use on arrays to map your JavaScript array of objects or strings or whatever is inside of it into an array of JSX elements. And React will then pull out these elements and render to the screen for you. You also learned that map gives you not only the element for which it's currently executing this function, but also access to the index, if you need that, for example, to remove an element, that you should add this key to let React efficiently update everything, and that you have a couple of tools, as you can see here, for updating the name, to really execute code on the element of a list on which something really happens. You learned a lot of useful things here, but the best way, as always, is to just practice it. So let's move on to an assignment so that you can put all these things you just learned into practice on your own.